Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for camping and hiking gears business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see now, you can start with such AI, so it's gonna help you to customize and set up your website. So you have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you're gonna create your website even quickly. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way. So let's get started. I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Now you have to enter your website type. Okay, so you can select your business type now. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, now you have to add a name on your to your website, to your store. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical products, digital products, services, dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design your website? So if you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize design template, so for me I'm gonna get started from here. So let's get started. Now you have to enter your information, your business name. Also you can add the logo, your own logo. Also you can add the email, your address, your phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive to attract customers to your website. Okay, now you can pick your favorite homepage design. For example, this one. I'm gonna shoot this one right here. So you can add pages to your site if you want, and also you can skip them and customize it later. So let's move on. Now you're gonna wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements, you can add the sections, you can manage the page in the menus. Also you can design the site, you can add apps, manage your business, manage the media, manage the CMS. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also if you want to upload emails or import emails, also here you can customize the theme buttons and the text and the icon buttons and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the payment buttons. Here we have the decorative. You can customize the theme lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. You can just select uh, the style you like, and the layout that you want, and gonna uh, you can put it at any place on your homepage. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So here you can design your site, you can customize your site design, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on to the first section. Here we have the header section. So you can do a quick edit. You can edit the site name. If you want. You can change the horizontal menu, manage the menu. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So here you can change the section in the background, the strip background. Also, if you want to change the title or the paragraph, just click on it and you can create another one. Just describe what you want in your text. For example, you can describe what you want in your text, and also you can select your type of the section, and you have to insert information to include here. Okay, and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, you can generate another one, so I'm gonna use this one. Also, if you wanna change the color in the background, or you can also change as image. So for example, I'm gonna change just the color. You can change it. So that's it. Let's move on to the next. So as you see here, this is you can change this image right here. Just click on it and you can search whatever you like on the search. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So here the product section. So you have to create your product. So to do that, you have to manage product first. Okay, add new product and select the type, physical product or digital file. Now you can customize it. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now as you see, you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also, you can add the name and the description. You can add your product information. Here you can customize the price and options. You can turn this on sale, and customize the discount and the sale price. You can show price per unit. So that's it. Here you can manage the inventory and the shipping, the track. You can customize. For example, you can turn this on and customize the inventory and the shipping weight. So after you're done from here, you can just save this place and go back to the editor to complete design. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the about section. So you can generate another text if you want. Just create AI text, and you can just describe what you want in your text, or just select the section. And also, if you want to change the font or edit the text, just you can select your favorite. You can select your style and select your favorite font. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So as you see here, you can change whatever you like, the same thing as normal. And also you can change this image right here. For example, if you want to change this image, just click here and you can search whatever you like on the search. You can type, for example, camping gears, and now as you see, you can select your favorite one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So that's it. Okay, so this is the last section here. You can just customize your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop before you go live. Also, you can save this, edit your page if you want, and also if you wanna publish your website, so you can just click here and you're gonna publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.